Good morning, students. Welcome you all. Here is your computer teacher. I hope you are learning, revising, and preparing notes of all the contents that I am teaching. Now, I'll be starting a new topic of Chapter 1, Python Revision 2, that is Maths Library Functions. We know there are many inbuilt libraries in the Python, and that contains lot many functions. So in order to use those functions, we need to import those libraries. And how to import those libraries? By using the keyword import. By writing import followed by the name of that particular library, we can import that library in our program or in our file. Fine. So there are many functions which are present in the math library. In order to use those functions in your program, you need to write first import math. Then for printing out the values from those functions, you need to write the print function. Inside the brackets, you will write the name of the library, and you will put a period operator or dot operator followed by the name of the particular function, and the value inside it will be used up to give the particular output. So let us start our first function. Your first function is ceil function. So ceil function is basically required to return the smallest integer not less than the number. What it means? आपको ceil function से एक ऐसी वैल्यू रिटर्न होगी जो कि उस नंबर से कम नहीं होगी, लेकिन वो एक इंटीजर ही होगी. वो छोटे से छोटा इंटीजर जो कि खुद उस नंबर से कम नहीं होगा. लेट अस से फॉर एग्जांपल यू हैव गिवन द नंबर 1.03. इट टोल्ड यू व्हाट कि स्मॉलेस्ट इंटीजर रिटर्न होना है. इंटीजर, दिस इज अ फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट वैल्यू एंड यू नीड टू रिटर्न एन इंटीजर वैल्यू एंड दैट शुड बी स्मॉलेस्ट, बट इट शुड नॉट बी स्मॉलर देन द गिवन नंबर. मतलब ये फंक्शन सील फंक्शन क्या रिटर्न करेगा? इट विल रिटर्न अ वैल्यू, नंबर वैल्यू फर्स्टली. सेकेंडली इट विल रिटर्न द स्मॉलेस्ट इंटीजर वैल्यू दैट शुड नॉट बी लेस देन दिस. इसका मतलब क्या? 1.03 से तो लेस होना नहीं चाहिए. सेकेंडली वो एक इंटीजर होना चाहिए. सी इफ दिस फंक्शन विल रिटर्न स्मॉलेस्ट, आप मानो कि 1 रिटर्न करेगा, दैट विल गो रॉन्ग. वाई? बिकॉज 1 इज लेस देन 1.03. तो व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट smallest integer? That is 2. Fine it is. So if you are giving a negative number, then what will happen? Before you answer this, let me just ask a question from you. Which is greater, -1 or -2? Answers will be -1. Why? Because negative numbers, in negative numbers the high this will be smaller. In negative numbers माइनस वाला जो नंबर होता है जिसकी वैल्यू कम होती है वो आपका बड़ा नंबर माना जाता है, राइट? सो हेयर इन दिस केस इफ यू गिव मी आंसर मैम -2, तो दैट विल गो रॉन्ग बिकॉज -2 इज लेस देन -1. फाइन. सो द आंसर विल बी -1. लेट अस गो टू द नेक्स्ट फंक्शन. Next function is square root function, sqrt. So whatever the number, you just need to write mat.sqrt, and inside the brackets you need to write the number of which you need to calculate the square root. So 81 square root is 9. Our third function is exponential function. See, exponential, whenever we need to calculate the natural logarithm e raised to the power the particular number that you have given inside this curly brackets, we need to use this function. See, e, what is e? Is a mathematical constant. Basically we are using it in calculus. So whatever its value is 2.71828, whatever value you will be giving inside this brackets, it will calculate e raised to power and give you that as an answer. So our next function is fab function. Fab function is basically to return the absolute value of the given number. means positive value always it will return. If you will give 1.0, it will give 1.0. If you will give minus 1.0, it will give 1.0. So positive number it will be returning whatever value you are be giving. Thank you.